Let's look at what happens when I try to determine the intercepts of this function. So I'm going to try and figure out what the y-intercept is, so where the parabola crosses or intersects the y-axis first. So this was the original equation from the previous video, and this is the equation in vertex form. So these are equivalent, they're just in different forms. So for this one, it is possible to do this with both, but it is easiest to find the y-intercept with this first equation. The y-intercept is where x is equal to 0. All along the y-axis, x is equal to 0. So wherever I intersect the y-axis, my coordinate points will be 0 and whatever that y value is. So I'm just going to replace x with 0. So 0 squared plus 6 times 0 plus 5, well, that's 0. This is 0, which means f of x, or y, is equal to 5 when x is 0. So this is my y-intercept. So the parabola will intersect the y-intercept at the point 0, 5. So the y-intercept itself is 5. I could do that same process here. It's just going to take me a little bit more effort. So same idea, I'm plugging in 0, 4, so really I should have put f of 0 here, because I was plugging in 0. So for this one, f of 0 is equal to 0 plus 3 squared minus 4. Now this time, this doesn't just go to 0. 0 plus 3 is not 0, it's 3. So that means I have 3 squared minus 4. 3 squared is 9. 9 minus 4 is 5. So either way, I get the same value for the y-intercept. It just takes a tiny bit more work and thought in this form.